Hello friends, I'm Dr. Abhishek Jha, your Radiology Faculty at Manipal MedAce. Radiology, as I often say, is one of those subjects which has penetrated deeply with all branches of clinical medicine. And this you can see in the recent INI-CET and NEET-PG exams, where there's an increasing trend towards clinically integrated questions and image-based questions. We at Manipal MedAce have been closely looking at this trend and keenly following it. And we've come up with a meticulously designed course of just 30 hours which will cover all aspects of radiology. We've also come up with more than 300 MCQs which have been handicrafted specifically by me, and all the explanations have been written by me myself so as to provide for a crisp and an error-free content. Now, talking about the USPs of the app. The most important USP of the app that I'm really excited about is the Faculty Connect, where you're going to find the most difficult clinical, radiological, pathological situations being solved by SMEs in dinner table conversations in a period of just 60 to 90 seconds. So what are you waiting for? Download the app, discover more features, and happy learning. All the best.